Hello student, how are you? This is Jitin Kumar Singh. Uh, Today I will teach you the English grammar and in which I will take part of speech. So first of all, let us define what is part of speech. I think that part of speech are the component of the sentence. सेंटेंस जिन जिन अवयवों से जिन जिन तत्वों से मिलकर के बनता है उसको पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच बोलते हैं. बेसिकली देयर आर 8 टाइप्स ऑफ पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच. देयर नाउन, प्रोनाउन, एडजेक्टिव, एडवर्ब, वर्ब, एडवर्ब, preposition, conjunction, interjection. And on the behalf of myself, I also add article as also it is also the part of speech. So let us find out and let us have the discussion about the noun, because basically I will take noun. So what is noun? What is the work of noun in sentence? How it works? How many types of noun are there? So basically, if you go through the definition of noun, earlier you have read about the definition, that is, noun is the name of person, place or thing. Three things you have to remember: that the name of a person, like suppose that you are talking about Rocky, you are talking about, you are talking about the person's name. The name of person, place, the name of place, like Varanasi is there, like Lucknow, like Agra is there, and things. When you talk about things, the name of the things, like Taj Mahal also is the name of the things. So noun is the name of person, place or things. Okay. For example, Mohan studies hard. Here in this sentence, Mohan is noun. Varanasi is a religious city. Varanasi is noun here. Humanity above all. Humanity is a noun here. So these are the various example of the noun, but let us make the classification of noun, because noun has 5 types. There are 5 types of noun. First is proper noun. Second is common noun. Third is collective noun. Fourth is material noun, and fifth is abstract noun. So by and by we will discuss about so proper noun is basically are those noun which are used properly. Proper noun are basically those noun which are used properly. When you use the name, that is proper noun, name of anyone, they are used properly. Like you can say that uh, India is there, India is a proper noun. Hindustan is there, it's a proper noun. You just call the name of a city like Varanasi, that is proper noun. These are the things that are used in a proper noun. And the second which is there, that is common noun. Common noun are those noun which are used commonly for the same merit things, places. Like if you talk about Varanasi, if you talk about Allahabad, if you talk about Lucknow, if you talk about Kanpur. So these are the separate names of the city, but one word that will be used commonly, that is city. In these इन सभी महानगरों के लिए एक वर्ड यूज किया जा सकता है, that is city. That is common now. For all the city, one word is used, that is city. So this is common noun. Pen, you can use pen for all types of pen. You can use chair for all types of chair. You can use collar for all types of collar. So these are common noun. Common noun you are used commonly. They have the things, the names, and whatever is there, they have the same merits, and there is a word that is defined in pen. Pen may be made of any types. Pen may be made of any color. Pen may be made of any things, but one word is used to define it, that is what? Pen. Okay. The third noun which are being considered by everyone there in English grammar, that is the collective noun. Collective noun, what is collective noun? Collective noun are those noun which are used for the collection of things, objects. Like if you talk about dozen, if you talk about dozen, the collection of 12 things. You talk about pair, the collection of two things. So these kind of noun are called collective noun. If you go through the army is also the collection of soldiers. Class also is the collection of different students. So these are called collective noun. Understood? And fourth is your material noun. Fourth is material noun. Material noun, what is material noun? Material noun are those noun which are used for the things which are made, that are made of matter. Suppose that you are talking about table. Table is made of wood. You talk about chair. Chair is made of, sometimes it may made of iron, sometimes it made of plastic, sometimes it made of no wood. You're talking about pen. It is made of plastic. So the material noun are those noun which are used for the noun that are made of matters. There are many matters you have read in science. And the last is abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Abstract noun are those noun which cannot be seen or touched, but we can feel it. Abstract noun वो noun होता है जिसको हम लोग न तो देख सकते हैं और न ही छू सकते हैं, लेकिन उसको महसूस किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फ्रेंडशिप. हैव यू सीन फ्रेंडशिप? नो. फ्रेंडशिप को आपने देखा है? नहीं देखा. फ्रेंडशिप एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. ह्यूमैनिटी को आपने देखा है? कहाँ रहता है ह्यूमैनिटी? ह्यूमैनिटी इज एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. सिंपैथी को आपने देखा है? नहीं देखा. सिंपैथी इज एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. मसी को आपने देखा है? नहीं देखा. आपने छुआ है? नहीं छुआ. That is abstract noun. So these are the classification of noun. One is proper, second is common, third is collective, fourth is material, and fifth is abstract noun. Thank you very much.